Welcome back, people. I'm out in a new woodland. I actually done a recce here back in December, about 8 months ago, and I found this little spot. I've checked the whole woodland and this is like the best I could find. Now I thought that'd be kind of cool. Reasonably flat. There is a path a bit further up there, and surrounded by this sort of overgrowth. The only trouble is there is a field in there, and when I came in here in the winter it was very exposed, but I was sort of hoping with the leaves and that it'd be a bit more covered, but it's not much more anyway. With this holly here, it helps a bit. So yes, it's gonna be quite a one-off one here, I think. So that's the bivvy. Still need to set up my sleep system. Got a train track up there, so it should be right that way. Possibly could get a farmer that way, but all set up. Here's what I've got. It's a lightweight body warmer thing. Normally when I put that on, I'll get a good night's sleep. It's not very thick, but it's nice and lightweight. Jumper, just in case. Hand warmer. It's already getting warm. My 2-season sleeping bag. Silk liner, a pillow. And I've got some spare socks, just in case my feet got wet, but they haven't. Some fire lighters, but I don't think I'll be able to have a fire tonight. Snacks, I might save that for the morning. Some more snacks up there. Drink. I don't think I could have a fire on the go. I've got a couple of little candles I was going to chuck in the fire, but I might use them. That should look pretty cool at night time. So I'll show you my surroundings. That's me. There are some buildings over that way. I think it's a farm or something, some sort. You go down here and eventually it goes down to the main path. It sort of narrows down, so I'm in the best spot. Like I say, I came up here in December, done a recce, checked the whole woodland. It's not great, but it's one of them ones that's been annoying me. I've been wanting to do just to tick it off, so I've done that one. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I think I've got about another half an hour before it starts getting dark. That'd be me. Obviously at night time you're not going to see that. It's nice and low profile, stealthy. It's about 10 to 9 now. I'll put this little tarp thing up there because there's a load of badgers wandering around. I'll just put a few sticks at the end. There. That little tarp thing's not really big and it's not very waterproof, it's just to help reduce wind and, you know, a bit of camo. And a few sticks here. Obviously this badger can still get in, but yeah, a load of badgers. I thought it was a big dog or something. I thought, oh, crap. But yeah, they're very heavy-footed badgers. I remember it when I was homeless. The badgers are so sort of clumsy and that. Mozzies are out. All packed away. That's where I had my bivvy. Leave no trace. All my litter with me. Everything I brought out with me. Saved this banana for the morning. It's my breakfast. Give me a bit of energy to get back. I'm a bit peed off with this bag. It's a really good bag. I'm really impressed with it, but it costs about 50 quid. And yeah, strap's broken on it. I didn't put it under much strain. Yeah, that's not good. So I'll say thank you for watching. Check out the description down below. There's a PayPal thing, because I make no money out of these videos. I don't understand how to set things up, so if you fancy doing a donation, that'd be great. It all helps for me to get out more. So I say thank you and I'll see you next time. Okay, cheers. Bye.